sister of Mikhail Simpson and Malik Simpson. My 14-year-old brother was killed in cold blood yesterday by the police. They are aware of us, they know us because they are from Kendall. My brothers were born and raised in Kendall, even though they live with their dad in Belfield. So they know him, so they know exactly who it was that was in the vehicle. And yet still, they did not give him a chance, any of them, to stop and to find out what was happening. They just shoot up the car and just killed my brother in cold blood. He is just 14 years old, just a grade 8 student at Belfield High School, and they just killed him just like that for nothing. What is life? What can I tell my mother to console her? They were just coming from church with my mother, right? I live in Trelawney currently, and they called me on video call when they were at church, and they let me speak to everybody in church before it started. And then after church, because it is Father's Day, I got the chance to, Malik called me and we spoke to everybody at home, and they are now finished, get their dinner, and they were heading back home. And just like that, then just kill my brother, so just like that, for nothing, no reason. And then now they're going to say that it's a man and it was a shootout. My brothers were just coming from church, they're coming from church, and they just killed him. Just like that, my other brother is now suffering from punctures to the face. It's currently lodged in his face. Where it is, it's very sensitive, so they cannot operate just yet. They have to do something to get it to migrate so that they will be able to operate safely. But I need justice. Something has to be done. A proper investigation needs to be done. No shooting, they reported that it was shootout. What did my brother, what would my 14-year-old have? My brother, what would he have to do a shooting? I want them, I don't know. The person who did it, I would love if they could face my mother and explain to her why you killed my brother, my 14-year-old brother. He called his father and he said, Daddy, because he was at mommy, and he said, Dad, I have exam tomorrow, make sure you take up my uniform, right? And he said, don't worry, Malik, take it up already. He said, may I beg you iron it because I'm going to make you proud. I'm going to do the exam. See there? You know, get to reach home, you know, get to go doing exam. You did not get to live a full life for us to be proud. And I'm just demanding justice.